Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's Tuesday, first Tuesday in November. It's election day. Been there, done that. And if you hear the honking, it's the school buses driving around giving away free food. Pretty disgusting idea considering the price of the houses in this neighborhood. The number of Lexus and Mercedes and Teslas there is in this neighborhood that they're giving away free food. I want to get these sweet potatoes pulled out of here. Supposed to be down in the low 20s next week. That's the bad news for sweet potatoes. And I actually have a new metal bed to put here, but obviously, as you can see, I can't put it here with these sweet potatoes in the way. So I got to get them out so I can actually find where the bed. Somewhere in there is actually a 4-foot wide bed. So we're going to get all this cut out. You all know what that looks like, so there's no point in having you watch me do that. So I'll be back when I get all this cut out. Okay, I've got this bed sort of clear. I think it's clear enough. I can try and see if I got any sweet potatoes in here. It's amazing, the shadows. I don't even think it's noon yet. The shadows are already covering us up. Yeah, that's never a good sign. This one's long and skinny, but look, critters. More critters. There's a decent sweet potato. More in here. Nice sweet potato. Kind of skinny. Well, so far it's about half critters, half for me. This has been a good spot for quite a few years, so very disappointing. Here's a nice tater. Here's another one. Yeah. Some down real deep, but they're all little scrawny, skinny things. Well, this ground is so hard, I went and got a spade. Try and make it a little easier to do. Digging it by hand is just terrible. I hate doing it because you run a chance of spearing things, but man. Look at that. They just got the very tip of that one, but I can cut that off and still got a great sweet potato. Alright, they didn't get that one. Look. See the whole side out of that one. Man, I had this problem quite a few years ago and haven't had it afterwards. And obviously it is truly back with a vengeance. Of course, this one's going to get dug out. Oh, that guy survived. This is all going to get dug out. So I think I'll go get some 1/2-inch wire and put on the bottom when I put the new bed in. That'll keep them out. the tunnels are. And it looks pretty good. Oh, survivor. No. I need a little bit right there, but I can save that. Can't save that one. There's a, look at that. Man, that's a big sweet potato there. There's a nice one. And here's another beauty. Look at that. That was a nice sweet potato. Another one eaten. No, I was hoping they hadn't made it all the way to the other side of the bed, but obviously they have. Eaten. Here's a good one. Going. Okay, here's what I got after I got them all washed up. You know, there's some really nice sweet potatoes in here. And I do still have some grow bags out there. So, and some of these, like not that one. But there are a few of these. This is a nice sweet potato. I can cut this end off. Still have a little enough sweet potato for the dog. Or I may toss it. See, there's a nice... man, they just really worked me over. So far I'm only finding things I gotta toss. Here's another one. Well, there must be a few in here that are still good. We'll let them dry some, see how they look.